Coming up in the beginning of my filmmaking career, I didn't have access to high quality cinema cameras like Red and ARRI, and I definitely couldn't afford to just rent out these cameras to test them out without it being a part of a production shoot that I was being paid for and included the cost of the rental within the actual budgeting. Also, renting out these types of expensive cinema cameras, you'll usually be required to have renter's insurance on a certain level. You can't just go and rent it out like a regular DSLR camera. But there's a way now that everyone can test out multiple cinema camera footage from each company like Red, ARRI, BLACKMAGIC for free. And that's what I wanted to quickly show you all in this video, how to gain access to these types of cinema camera footage for free. What's going on, guys? For anyone who is new to this channel, my name is Joe Moore and I'm a content creator, music video director, and photographer. We cover a lot of visual related topics on this channel, such as tutorials, behind the scenes, vlogs, and many other visual related topics and content. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay up to date with the helpful knowledge and content being posted to this channel. So guys, each major cinema camera website offers sample footage on their website that you can download and use for testing purposes. Red's website has a sample Red file section that you can scroll through, and they provide footage from cameras like the Monstro 8K, Helium 8K, all the way down to the Red 1, which was one of their first Red releases. And each camera, they give you the details on what the resolution, frame rate, and compression it was shot in was. Now, Alexa and their website offers camera sample footage as well, ranging from all of their current camera options like the Alexa Mini LF, Alexa Mini, Alexa Miria, and etc. So similar to Red's website, you can go to Alexa's website and go to the sample footage link and scroll down and select which camera you'd like to download files from, and Alexa gives you the option to download either the full ARRI RAW format or the ProRes conversion. Now finally, BLACKMAGIC offers high quality sample footage from their pocket cinema cameras, 4K to 6K, that was shot from director photographers and filmmakers on different projects. Now the cool thing with BLACKMAGIC's website is their sample footage section is the most detailed, in that it gives not only a detailed spec info on the camera and how it was filmed, but it also provides the name of the project, the filmmaker or the DP who filmed it, and on certain sample footages, it has the person explain what they wanted to test this camera with in this shot. For example, different skin tones, highlights, testing out certain lenses with this camera, and etc. So this is something that I think all of us can learn from and find valuable. I'm not sure how long the sample footage from all of these cinema camera sites has been available, but it is something I wish I had known about earlier. Cameras like Red and ARRI cost low-end $10,000 and high-end almost close to $100,000 to own, and again, to rent it would cost thousands of dollars on top of having to have renter's insurance, which can be costly on an annual or monthly basis. So this type of sample footage is great for content creators ranging from the beginners who may have never been able to get their hands on a cinema camera and who want to test out the workflow in their editing software. But this can also help cinema camera owners who may want to upgrade to the next higher up camera and possibly do side-by-side comparisons, different types of tests between the two sample footages of the cameras to see if the upgrade is worth spending that much more money and if it's just a reasonable thing to upgrade to that camera. Also, it's a great way to get familiar with the workflows that come with using these type of cinema cameras and learning how to edit and color correct and grade raw footage that these cinema cameras provide. So guys, I will leave links down below where you can go to each of these websites and download their sample footage for you to test out on your own. Now real quick, each of these websites do let you know that these are for testing purposes only, and these are not to be used for commercial or non-commercial work. In other words, don't download this and pass this off as footage of your own in a director's reel or for personal or professional gain. It's not a good idea. This is for testing purposes only. Now guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you found this content helpful, please be sure to like and comment down below on this video and share this video to other creators who will find this helpful. Also, to everyone who is currently not subscribed to the channel, join the family and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the new content releasing on this channel. See you all next video.